Passing mid-rope protection. Usually, mid-rope protection will be tied to the backup line. When you get to the rope protection, you can undo the Velcro and separate it from the rope. Sliding your devices along the main line unimpeded. When your backup device reaches the knot that the mid-rope protection is attached to, you can attach another backup device above the knot. If you have mistakenly selected the wrong rope and you are on the line that the knot is attached to, you need to treat this like passing a mid-rope knot. As soon as your devices are past the mid-rope protection, it is important to close the protection up around the rope again for the next person to use. After both rope protectors are on, you can continue ascending. Coming down. Procedure in reverse. When you approach the rope protection, you can open it. Before your backup device gets stuck on the knot, it is important to place another backup device underneath. Then removing the old backup and opening the rope protection. As soon as you have passed the rope protection, it is important to close it up again. After you've closed it, you can continue descending.